The true story of the Red Fort. Shah Jahan's Mughal masterpiece in Delhi. The Red Fort, Lal Kila, stands as one of India's most iconic historical monuments, a magnificent fortress palace that embodies the zenith of Mughal power, artistry, and architecture. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan when he moved his capital from Agra to Delhi, this UNESCO World Heritage Site has witnessed nearly 4 centuries of India's tumultuous history, from the splendor of Mughal rule to British colonialism, and finally to its current status as a symbol of independent India. This is the true story of the Red Fort, Shah Jahan's architectural marvel that continues to dominate Old Delhi's landscape. Here's the vision of Shah Jahan, building an imperial capital. In 1638, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the same ruler who commissioned the Taj Mahal, made a momentous decision to shift his imperial capital from Agra to Delhi. This move was both strategic and symbolic. Delhi had historically been the seat of power for earlier Indian empires, and Shah Jahan sought to establish his own lasting legacy in a new city that would bear his name, Shah Jahanabad, now Old Delhi. Construction of the Red Fort began on May 12, 1639, during the sacred Islamic month of Muharram. Shah Jahan entrusted the project to his chief architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori, who had previously designed the Taj Mahal. The fort's design blended Persian, Timurid, and Indian architectural traditions, creating a unique Mughal style that would influence buildings across the subcontinent. The fort's massive walls, built with red sandstone, giving the fort its name, rose between 18 to 33 meters, 108 feet, high and stretched over 2 kilometers in perimeter, forming an irregular octagon shape. Unlike other Mughal forts, its walls were asymmetrical to incorporate the older Salimgarh fort built in 1546. The Yamuna River originally flowed alongside the fort, feeding its moats and water channels, though the river has since changed course. After nearly a decade of construction, the Red Fort was completed on April 6, 1648. The complex covered approximately 120 acres and at its peak housed about 3,000 residents. Its original name was Qila-e-Mubarak, the Blessed Fort, reflecting its status as the imperial family's residence. Architectural marvel, the Fortress Palace Complex. The Red Fort was designed as a microcosm of paradise on earth, with its layout and structures embodying Mughal concepts of power, divinity, and beauty. The private apartments featured a continuous water channel called Nari Bahisht, Stream of Paradise, connecting a series of pavilions that represented the flowing rivers of Islamic paradise. Key structures within the fort included Diwan-e-Am, Hall of Public Audience, where the emperor would address